I tell you these next items are movie groovy. Movie groovy. Check this out. Definitely wanted to show you guys my go-tos because they are amazing. And this, honey, if you happen to see this, I want you guys to grab this. This is Movie Groovy, a still deal like Holyfield. It is an amazing dupe, and it is the one and only. Honey, not Tony. This is an Olay dupe at Dollar Tree. This is from Be Pure compared to Olay. This is the moisturizer. I use this up under my makeup. First, I use like a snail toner. And then I use this when I tell you my face is well hydrated. And I get so many compliments like in my videos about my skin is glowy, glowy, flowy, flowy. And it is because the items that I use. When I tell you amazing, this is amazing. I'm definitely going to need more very, very soon because it's just that good. Now, the next item that Dollar Tree has up is this. If you can find it, honey, you are a lucky soul. Now, this is the Plump and Glow Collagen and Rose Water Facial Mist. When I tell you this is galore, I already love rose water and rose hip oil. Oh my, looky cookie, amazing. And the fact that this is in a glass bottle, oh my, Dollar Tree is for the win. Now, this is $1.25, a still deal like Holyfield. Want to know what it is for me? It is a Dollar Tree. Now, I knew they was fancy, but honey, they go on the next level. Honey, when I tell you that the deals are dealing, I mean, so many dupes up in Dollar Tree. Dupe galore. All right? They ain't playing. I'm just saying. We movie groovy and a place to be. Check this out. First off, Dollar Tree has the Bioma, the Dupity Dupes over here. This is the Daily Facial Moisturizer, delivers hydration, lightweight, refreshing texture. They also have the face mist over here. This is perfect for a quick refresh, delivers a soft, hydrating finish. And of course, they also have the face serum. Now, this is a Bioma Dupity Dupe. Now, when I tell you that Dollar Tree is straight coming through the way they do, I'm talking about so many dupes. They also have this. Now, this is the Jet Set Reset from Dermacell. Honey, how fancy could they really be? This is the Hydro Mist. This is a skin smoothing mist. They also have this one as well, Deep Hydration Serum that helps rebuild a skin barrier. And then they also have the multitasking moisturizer for overnight. Looking for eye cream? Oh, what a dream. These are $1.25. Love this. Dollar Tree said we duping up everything. Okay, I mean the Bioma. It's the Bioma Dupity Dupes for me. They have the Orchid, the body polish, smooth and clarify. They also have the Hydrate and Smooth. This is a hydrator, a glowing body lotion, and then a jelly cleanser. Honey, let us know in the comment section. This is a win times 10. Now, I purchased this. I do have the Bioma, the real one, and this is good. I like this. $1.25. Honey, you said you're looking for a dupe. Dollar Tree said we got you, boo. Now, this is the Brazilian Floral Exfoliate and Sugar Scrub at Dollar Tree. $1.25. You know, I'm definitely in a place to be. You know, at this point, Dollar Tree should definitely be called Dupe City. I mean, they duping everything. They also have the Brazilian Orchid Body Butter. Now, this is a still deal like Holyfield. Absolutely amazing. Now, you may need some oil up in here. They also have the original one as well. Honey, let me take it away at Dollar Tree. Honey, don't sleep on the tree when it comes to the hair stuff. Now, I know I used to be one of those girls that used to be like, what? Let me explain. It was a few things that was good, like a chicken wing. Now, Dollar Tree has the Amber Glow Texturizing Wave Spray Creamy Coconut. This is $1.25. This is supposed to give you like the beach wave vibes. Now, they also have, of course, we talked about this. This is the Kristen Nest. Now, you know this not no $1.25 normally. Normally, it goes for way more than this at other retailers. This is a steal deal like Holyfield. I tell you, these next items are movie groovy. So Dollar Tree has, yes, the action figures. So if you love action figures, or if your children love action figures, Dollar Tree have Thor, Captain America, Iron Man, Hawk, and also Spider-Man. Get into it and do it, girls. Now, it is the balloon time for me. The helium tank. Now, inflates 39-inch latex balloons ready in a snap. No assembly required. You having birthday parties, get-together, family reunions, and you want to put, you know, a big thing, all right? You want to have a big celebration. Dollar Tree has this, and it comes with the helium tank, the air, the spool of white ribbon, and of course the balloons are sold separately. Now, these are $30, which is a great price point. Absolutely love this. Honey, you know I got the tea. I gotta deliver 1, 2, 3. Check this out. Now, my loves, don't sleep on a tree when it comes to these throw covers. Honey, I'm telling you, movie groovy. They have the green. You know, green is my thing, like a chicken wing. They also have the blue. What it do? They also have the beige as well. These are definitely movie groovy. And when I tell you they are soft, they are absolutely soft. These are $10. So, my loves, it is the cushions for me, the chair cushions. These are absolutely, honey, gorgeous. Now, they on the plain Jane side, but that's okay, honey. You can tighten it away. Now, these are $5. They come in 3 different colors. They have the gray, the beige, and also the black. Is where it's at. Now, if you guys are looking for storage bags, it's definitely going to be the double zipper variety pack bags. Absolutely love this. 168 bags you get, and these are still deal bonus pack, 220 total bags. Now, the fact that these are $5 are definitely movie groovy. They also have these storage food containers over here, 14 pieces. This is absolutely amazing. This is $6. Yes. You want to know what it really is for me? It is Dollar Tree with all the tea. And I'm just the fabulous MC. I'm here to deliver word to the mother and the brother. Check this out. So when I tell you it's Dollar Tree with the overnight oats jar, okay, honey, they ain't playing. They are lying, not delaying. Now, they come in several different colors. They have the purple. They have this peachy color. They also have this neon green. Ooh, honey, what a dream team. And then they also have this blue. Now, these are $1.50. They are definitely movie groovy. Honey, honey, I heard you was looking for back-to-school items. Oh, you're not? It's too early? Well, not for the tree, it's not. Dollar Tree said, we putting the stuff out now. Catch up. Check these items out. You know, I absolutely love these pencil and crayon holders. This is a crayon-shaped pencil pouch. These are so movie groovy. Now, they come in different colors. They have the yellow, the blue. They also have the pink, the yellow, and green. You know, green is my thing, like a chicken wing, honey. These are absolutely lovely. And the fact that these are $1.25, honey, I am here for it. Now, they have the pencil holders over here. Really, really movie groovy. They also have these pencil holders as well. These are cute little cubbies. They also have the plastic pencil boxes, $1.25. Honey, Dollar Tree, I like this. Movie groovy. Oh, and look at this. A glue set, honey. They are here for it. You know what? I'm liking this, you know? They have so many different items when it comes to back to school. First day of school, this photo frame. Ooh, like this. And honey, get into the pencil and pen case. Ooh, I like this. Really, really cute. They also have these over here. I want candy. These are nice for the pencil and pen holders. And of course, they have the Z grip. Honey, Dollar Tree is fancy. Really fancy for me. All right. I love it though. They also have these zipper pencil pouches like with the mesh bags. These are movie groovy. And then of course the highlighters that are $1.25. This is a steal deal like Holyfield. Let me tell you, 8 of these for $1.25. Movie groovy. Now, you guys looking for safety? Now, Dollar Tree has this item. It's the personal security for me. So Dollar Tree has the personal security alarms. Now, clips on purse, backpack, keys, and more for easy access. I guess, like, if you feel threatened or so, you pull this to activate, and it sets off an alarm. Hopefully people will come over with built-in flashlight. Now, these come in different colors. You may just want to, you know, test it out first. They come in blue, black, and also gray. This is, hey, okay, $1.50.